Good morning, student. We are discussing chapter 6, Introduction to Algebra. Already started basics in the previous video. Now today we will discuss about the translating words into algebraic expression, or whenever it means something is given into the words and we want to represent into the algebraic expression. This is called the algebraic representation. What is the meaning of the given words? Now we will see here, discuss here. Because when we use the mathematical operation addition, when we use subtraction, multiplication, division, it depends on the wording of the statement. So see, suppose we want to describe the add. Sign have plus. When we use add, when this meaning sum. When we want to do sum of two things, it means we have to apply the addition operation. Plus, increased by, more than, these type of words whenever come in our statement, then we will apply the addition operation. Or you can say put together, combine. Suppose in a bucket there are 5 mango, in a bucket there are 5 mango, and in the next bucket there are 10 mangoes. When we combine both buckets, then how many mangoes you have? Obviously what we will do? We do add 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. Similarly, if we want to, when we will use negative sign. Negative sign when there is subtraction word directly. When there is difference, in place of subtraction we can write down when it is given to you minus. Minus, difference, decreased by, less than, less, like this. In these type of word, if we find out in our statement, then we will use the negative subtraction sign. Multiplication. Multiplication directly, multiplied, times, product, or we can say there is groups of, put together in groups. We have 5 groups, each have the 5 mango. Then how many total mangoes if we put together? Obviously 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. Division. In division, divided by, quotient, divided into group. Equally divided into group. So whenever we find out these type of words, then according to these words we will apply these operations. Another example take, again see addition. For this sum, plus, increased by, more than, put together, minus for the subtraction, minus, difference, decreased by, less than, less, multiplied for multiplication, multiplied, times, products, put together of group, combining the group, it means divided by, quotient, equally divided into group. Now take example. Suppose I write down any expression is given to you n plus 5. Then how can we read? How many types we can read? First, n plus 5. Second, sum of n and 5. Third, n is increased by 5. Fourth, increased by 5 more than n. Or we can say n is increased by 5, sum of n and 5, and plus 5, 5 more than n, 1 more, that is 5 is added to n. These type of words if we have, then we have the same result, n plus 5. N plus 5, n plus 5 we write down. Sum of n and 5, it means we add n plus 5. n is increased by 5, it means n के अंदर 5 और increase हो गया, that is n plus 5. 5 more than n मतलब n पहले से था, उसमें 5 और add हो गया है, 5 more हो गया है, तो n plus 5. 5 is added to n, directly n plus 5. Suppose I write down n minus 5, then firstly 5 is subtracted from n. 5 को n में से subtract किया गया है. Second, 5 decreased by n. Third, difference of n and 5. Fourth, 5 less than n. Sixth, n less 5. Sorry, fifth one. This type word is given to you, it means we will describe this subtraction operation. Another C for division, multiplication. Suppose I write down 5n. Then first we can write down 5 is multiplied by n. Second, I can write down 5 times n. Third, product of 5 and n combined all 5 group. Means in each group there are n, that is n plus n plus n plus n plus n. 5 group, and we combined all the group. These type we can do the product, multiplication. If I write down 5 divided by n, then 5 divided by n. Second, quotient of 5 and n. Third, divided into equal group of n. So they are basically given the statement problem, and we will represent into the algebraic expression. This is called algebraic representation, and this is very important part of the algebra. Now see more examples how we will use in our questions. Suppose it is given to you in a rectangle length is increased by 4 to breadth write algebraic expression for given statement. In a rectangle, length is increased by 4 to breadth. Write algebraic expression for given statement. We don't know about the length and breadth. So it means both are unknown things for us, length and breadth also. But there is a relation between this, that length is equal to increased by breadth plus 4. We don't know, so here let breadth of rectangle is equal to x, then length is equal to x plus 4. So this time we will use these things, these verbal expression into the algebraic expression. Another example, suppose it is given to you 70 increased by quotient of x and y. How to do it? 70 increased by quotient of x and y. Word quotient show the division. This increase show the addition. Then how to apply here? 70 increased by quotient of x and y. Then firstly we solve this statement. Quotient of x and y. What is the meaning of quotient of x and y? It means it is equal to x divided by y. 70 increased by, it means x plus y plus 70. This is our answer of this statement. X upon y plus 70. Another example, five times sum of A and B. Then firstly we will solve this one statement, sum of A and B. Then we write down sum of A and B means A plus B. Sum represent plus and times represent multiplication. 5 times sum of A and B. It means firstly we will solve sum of A and B. A plus B. It means it becomes now 5 times A plus B. That is equal to 5 times means multiply. Then answer is 5 multiply A and A plus B. This question is like this. Sum of 5 times A and B. Now this is different thing. Sum means addition, times means multiplication. But here see, sum of, sम से पहले क्या है, टाइम्स. इट मीन्स पहले हम किसको सॉल्व करेंगे, टाइम्स को. तो 5 टाइम्स ए, एंड से पहले 5 टाइम्स ए, दिस इज अ कंप्लीट थिंग. 5 टाइम्स ए का मतलब क्या हो गया, 5 ए एंड बी, and b, sum of. Now your question is like this, sum of 5a and b, then our answer will be 5a plus b. So this type we write down. Another thing, two more than 3/4 of x. How to represent this in statement? 2 more than 3/4 of x. 2 more than for the plus, 3/4 of का मतलब होता है मल्टीप्लाई, 3/4 का मतलब है 3/4 multiply by x. So it becomes 2 more than 3/4x. Sorry, then 3/4x, more than means plus 2, and our answer is 3/4x plus 2. Sunil's is 3 more than 5 times of Ajay's is. Then write down this 5 times Ajay's is. Write down this statement into the algebraic representation. Then how to write down? Sunil says, Sunil is. Whenever you find helping verb, then you put equal sign. 3 more than 5 times Ajay's is. 3 more than, it means for more than we put plus sign, times we multiply this. We don't know the Ajay's is, so we write down x. That we write down let Ajay's is equal to x here. Then Sunil says is 3 more than 5 times. When firstly we perform the 5 times, it means 5x. 3 more than means plus 3. So this type we write down algebraically this statement. Some questions take solved from your book. It is given to you, take away. Take away the product of 15 and t from 60. Take away also show the net subtraction. Product show the multiplication. Take away the product of 15 and t. It means firstly we solve this 15 and t product. So now in the next step it becomes take away 15t from 60. It is similar to the subtraction 50. Subtract 15t from 60. then 60 minus 15t, your answer. This is similar to subtract 15t from 60. So answer is 60 minus 15t. Another example, see. Suppose one question is given to you. Sandy scores 8 marks in long answer type question, for short answer question two marks are given for each correct answer. What is Sandy's total score if she answers X short answer question correctly? What is given to you? Sandy scores 8 marks in long answer type question. It means जितने भी long answer type के questions थे उसमें उसके total marks कितने आए? 8. But for short answer question 2 marks are given for each correct answer. जितने भी correct answers, जितने भी questions थे उनमें से जो भी correct answer है उन सब के लिए उसको short answers के लिए 2 marks दिए गए हैं. तो it means how many total scores Sandy get? So Sandy's total score long answer type question how many marks? 8 marks. कितने question थे, कितने answer है, doesn't matter. It is given to you directly that 8 marks is scored in the long answer type question. Short answers के लिए but उसने दिए कि how many correct answer, कितने correct answer दिए उसने? X correct answers दिए और each correct answers के marks है 2. Suppose अगर उसने एक correct answer दिया होता तो उसके मार्क्स कितने होते? 2 into 1 2. अगर उसने 2 आंसर के मार्क्स दिए होते तो 2 into 2 4. 3 दिए होते तो 2 into 3 6. But how many questions total? X questions he give the correct answer. It means it becomes 2 into x is equal to 2x. Then short answer he got total score 2x. In long answer he got 8. It means total score is equal to 8 plus 2x. This is our answer. Next type of question. Suppose any pipe is given to you. This is 5 centimeter and this is t centimeter. Then what is the total length? Total length 5 plus t. If it is given to you, this complete length is x and this one part length is t. Then what is the length of this part? Total x, this one t, then obviously this become x minus t. ये तुम्हारे पास 10 सेंटीमीटर का कोई पाइप है, रिबन है, उसमें से 5 सेंटीमीटर एक पार्ट है, तो नेक्स्ट पार्ट कितने का होगा? Obviously 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So this type we will show the x we solved exercise 7A of your, sorry, this is your chapter 7. A exercise you will solve now according to this video, and do examples also in your fair notebook. Thank you.